Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you can't eject a disc on your PlayStation 5 and the physical button is broken and you deleted the application. So you went over the application and you pressed options on it and you went to delete before you actually went to eject right here. So you can see there is an option to eject your disc just in the settings on your PlayStation 5 and PS4. So if you went to delete right here, you can see this application is going to be removed from the home screen on my PlayStation 5. So we can't go over the application and delete it, and we can't go to the game library here and search for it. So if we went up to the top and went to Battlefield 4, I won't be able to find this application because I don't have the digital edition of it. I just have the actual edition of it. So I can go to View Product right here, and nothing will happen. So what I want to do is press the PlayStation button. Just simply go on over to power and then go to restart. When your PlayStation restarts, it's going to reread the disc and attempt to read it. Even if it doesn't identify it, you should have an option where you can eject the disc. So you just go over it now, and there should be an option that says eject disc. Otherwise, it looks like you can just go over to any other application and it will still give you the option to eject the disc. So I can go over Call of Duty and then going down to eject disc. And boom, it's going to pop it out of the front. So just go ahead and look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.